Yo, guys, what's up? It's me again, Samurai the Trader. We're back on yet another weekly review. So, as you can see on the on what's showing on the screen, I'm showing my trading view, and on my trading view, I have my US dollar index weekly chart. So, as many if you have been following, like if you've been following all my videos on YouTube, you can see I posted like the previous video. I posted the bias, like this current week's bias, and I was expecting price to drop. Let me see if I can find, like put I'll put the screenshot, on the screen. You can see my bias for the previous week. In the previous week, I wasn't able to like capture a lot of trades at my birthday on Tuesday. I think it was on Wednesday, 22 January. So I only managed to see some trades on Monday, then on Tuesday, then from Wednesday, I didn't do much of this trading thing. I was just looking at the charts, and I also got a little bit sick. Yeah, I also got a little bit sick. I explained like my bias. If you watched my previous video, I put the screenshot, the link below for my previous video, where I was mentioning I was looking for markets to drop. That was like maybe Monday, Tuesday. Then from then, I was expecting it to take out this, yeah, like some kind of market structure like this. That was my expectation. That was my expectation, like for the previous week. I was expecting it to drop maybe swiftly on Monday, and from below on Tuesday, as usual. My strategy. I expect now the market to make Judah swing on the Monday. And then on the Tuesday, it continues with the Judah swing into the London, like in the London session. Then I expect on Tuesday. I usually expect it to make the low of the week or the high of the week, depending on the bias. If it's in terms of this DXY chart, I was expecting it to make the low on Tuesday, like the low for the week on Tuesday. Then in the afternoon session, like the New York session, I was expecting my prices to go high, starting go high according to my bias. So I didn't see this. So this was my what I was expecting for last week. I was expecting price to simply go below this relatively equal lows. Let me highlight them. I was expecting the market to go check out these relatively equal lows. This was what I was expecting on Tuesday, for the market to take out these relatively equal lows, then retrace, taking out maybe a high created here, and then go up the mark, like for the rest of the week. So what actually ended up happening is something like this. This is what actually ended up happening. So the market did actually, in fact, traded below this, but now, looking at it like this in hindsight, I now see it maybe is a bit of shifting market structure here. I need to see what the market holds for this week. Like today is Monday, I'm expecting what the market holds for this week. So this was my expectation. The market was supposed to drop. This is Monday. The market was supposed to drop. Then Tuesday, take out these lows. Then from then maybe take out this high. This was supposed to act as an inversion fair value gap, and the market was supposed to trade higher to the high of the fair value gap, the weekly fair value gap. Take out this high and take out this high. So when I saw that on Tuesday, the market actually was just able to make this candle, and it didn't have a wick, just opened high, closed. Then it didn't take these relatively equal lows. So I cannot say I was kind of upset, but it wasn't in line with my bias. It just got me confused. Like, what does the market really want to do? Is it going to trade below these? Is it going to trade below these? Is it now time to reverse? But yeah, that's what I was expecting, so I didn't actually do it. So I'm going to go on the lower time frame. What was happening last week on the lower time frame? What was happening last week on the lower time frame? This is Friday, this is Sunday, and this was Monday. So yeah, this was Monday's trading. As I said, like on the high time frame, what I was expecting this low. Take out these relative equal lows on Tuesday. It ended up like taking the relative equal lows on Wednesday. So from Wednesday, I was expecting the market, to break above the structure, retrace to the fair value gap. Here you see it in the 15-minute chart. Take out this, take out this, take out this. But I ended up like seeing another shift in market structure like this. So it's kind of a shift in market structure because like the market retraced. Yeah, quite a lot of pips like made a serious retracement. So now in this coming week, you can see this is this week's candle. Let me go back again. Let me just go back to the daily time frame and outline what are my expectations into this coming week. So now I'll start by removing all the drawings. Start removing by all the drawings. So like as you know, guys, price is a fractal. What does it mean? What happens on the high time frame? For example, what happens on the on the weekly time frame? Like this loss take a shift in market structure, in price moving high. It also it also happens, like on the low time frames. So I'm looking at it on the weekly time frame. So what usually I do if it's price on a daily time frame, I usually denote the highs, the previous week high and low, the previous week high and low, another previous week high and low, like for the past 3 days, but in this case it's a weekly chart, so it's like for the past 3 weeks. So this, and for the price, like for the movements, like what these lines in the same, so I just maybe remove this, I just take them as relative equal lows, and for this I take the recent, which is higher than this, and treat this as my liquidities, as my target where price could actually move to. So this is it. So looking at the chart like this, okay, let me also remove this just in case price is not clear what it wants to do. So looking at this is a weekly time frame for the dollar. I use the dollar so that I can frame my trades, for the other pairs, for other forex pairs, and for the futures pairs. So this is a 1 week fair value gap. The price was actually able to retrace to that weekly fair value gap, taking these lows, and it closed below these lows. That's why I'm actually kind of waiting to see what the price actually wants to do, because we have also this order block. We have also this weekly order block. So this is what we are looking at. Like this is Monday. This is Monday, the 27th of January. At least where I am, it's already Monday. And this was the previous week. This is what it did. It took out this low, took out this low, took out this low, took out this low. The previous previous 4 week lows, like for the previous 4 weeks, it took them out. So if I still want to keep my bias like bullish, like meaning the market should go higher, I don't expect the price for Monday and Tuesday to close below this order block. So yeah, that's going to be my target. So if I see the market for Monday, for Monday, Tuesday, that's today and tomorrow, closing below this and even moving low or violating this, then which means my target for the rest of the following weeks, I'm targeting the reversal to these lows relatively close. But now, yeah, because as you can see, the market is in a higher premium. Like from this low to this high, this is like what you can see from this high to this low. Let me just put from this high to this low. Like the market is probably overbought, like it's in a premium. It's in a premium. So if the market is supposed to drop below, there's a high chance that it will drop to here, and it will drop to here, which is like my 72, like my 72, my 72. What's called Fibonacci retracement level. So there's a high chance that the market wants to retrace to this. So I'm just going to be nimble this week. Maybe I won't be taking any trades, but I'll just be looking at the markets to see if they actually offer me this low. Like after taking this, after closing below this, this open for this weekly order block, and also violating the consequent encroachment for this order block. Then I'll be looking for markets maybe to go below this volume imbalance. I'll just denote it here. I would be expecting the market to go below this volume imbalance. And feel the volume imbalance, and there's also another volume imbalance. And for that, after that, yeah, these are relatively lows. So, but this is, this is like too much. It will be overwhelming for you, but this is my price. These are my targets. If price actually is able to move, close below this. So, what can you expect to see on Monday's trading? Like what can be your trades? Trading against the bias. What can be your trades into Monday? This is a daily chart. We saw the market taking all these. Taking all this, closed below these lows, which led to this liquidity being taken. This target. Liquidity. So this is what we saw. Market closed below this. So for me, I call it just a small shift in market structure. This is how this is how I label it, a small shift in market structure. So it's very possible, like I don't know what the market makers are thinking, but it's very possible for the market to want to drop, and if it violates the order block, once again, this is my target, volume imbalance on the weekly, another volume imbalance on the weekly. You see this, another clear, which is even more clear. This is another which is more clear. This could be another target. So usually I do it like this. And sell side liquidity. So this is my buy side liquidity into this coming week, and this is my sell side liquidity into this coming week. So if the market is supposed to move like in a clearer more way, taking this as a bracket market structure, the market is supposed to go to these lows, and that means after it's closed below these lows, this is our target, this is our target. That's why I'm not really quite confident into this coming week. I would want to price to give me like more, to tell me more on what's going to happen. So this is it for the dollar. And the dollar, if the dollar goes down, we all know other currency pairs are supposed to go up, and if the dollar goes up, it's at the current pairs which are supposed to go down, just in opposite with the dollar. Like for example, the Euro USD. So I've also have a review on the Euro USD where it was moving to these lows and into this CB, like into this fair value gap. I also told you like the market was able to close, just below the first quadrant. It was able to go below the first quadrant. It didn't close, but it actually managed to reach the first quadrant. Then there was a major pullback in the previous week. I wasn't expecting this last week. I was expecting market to continue, but it did what it did. It closed above this swing high. Let me make it big. It closed above this swing high. So now I'm a little bit skeptical if this is a shift in market structure, because you see it closed above this swing high. It closed above the swing high after tapping into this low and into this weekly fair value gap. So we can see a reversal into the up, like going up. We can see more buy opportunities coming in this week. But first, the market is supposed to retrace, to a certain kind of level. So where can it retrace to? It can retrace to this high. It will be highly favorable if it retraces to this high on Monday, like just touch the high, or maybe taper this low, but not really close below these lows. Maybe just retrace to this high and start to attack this. These are relative equal highs. If you are seeing it from a daily time frame, these are relative equal highs. These are relative equal highs, and then this just a normal swing high, and then there's a fair value gap here. This is a daily time frame. There's a fair value gap here, and it's a daily time frame. There's a fair value gap here. Yeah, so you see, and that's why I was a little bit skeptical. Let me delineate the last week's trading. This is last week's trading. This is what the market did. I wasn't expecting it to do such, but this is what it did. And I took out these highs. Took all these. It was just supposed to take them in reverse, but it didn't. It actually closed above that. So with this new week's opening, Monday, considering we've closed above this and this swing high, which led to these stops being taken. This was sell side liquidity, which led to these stops taken after the markets with 1, 2, 3 draws pattern. It went even a little bit further. Took all these lows into the first quadrant, of this one weekly fair value gap, retraced, closed above this, didn't leave any fair value gaps. Is this small, but it's quite a little bit far out of reach. That's what I think. So I'm actually going to remove it so it doesn't confuse me. So what I expect the market to do, what will be highly favorable, to look for some buy opportunities is it is doing. The market opened high, retrace a little bit, retrace a little bit, maybe to this high in this order block, then use this order block as support to tell these relative equal highs, maybe on Tuesday in the New York session, and then from then to this template, and then from then to this, yeah, and that's kind of it all. And also on this chart, we can see the market after it took out this high, it's actually in a deep discount. You can see from this, it's in a deep discount. This is a 50% level. The market is way below this 50% level. So if it's supposed to retrace or if it's supposed to expect upside movement after this shifting market structure. I expect it at least to go above here. So, and what's also above here, we have this fair value gap, and we have these relative equal highs. We have also these. So maybe that's what the market's how the market is going to behave into this coming year and into the future months. Yeah, that's basically it on this. This is the GBP. This is the Euro USD. So you can actually take the same measurements, put them in the euro and the pound. They actually move more alike, just like the US 100 and US 500, Nasdaq and S&P. So they highly they call it, these markets call it, if one is going down, the other is also going down. That's how I'm able to find my A plus setups. So for the GBP USD, you see, this is the price movement for the previous week. Let me remove the drawings. This is what price did. It actually overshoot. I'm not so sure if that's the vocabulary for it, but disrespected this fair value gap. It was just supposed to tap, then take these lows and take these lows. So it didn't do that. It actually overshoot. Like it went above and it even closed above this. So that's why you see I keep repeating myself. I'm kind of skeptical. I don't know what actually to expect. So in this coming week, I'll be trading with that bias. I'll be just trading the shifting market structure on 15-minute time frame and enter on the 5-minute time frame to my targets without holding too much. Just my normal 20 pips target, 10 pips risk, 1:2. Yeah, that's my plan. That's my plan. So you see, it didn't make that much of a shift in market structure as was done in the euro. So the markets, they are not moving coherently. That's another sign it's going to be a difficult week, but we'll go through it. But if you go on a 1 hour time frame, everything becomes clear. The market took out this high, closed above it, fair value gap, traded it, used the daily fair value gap, as an inversion fair value gap. This is the daily fair value gap I denoted. It used it as an inversion fair value gap. It used it as an inversion fair value gap. Someone could have entered here, traded above these relative highs. Now what's coming? These are also other relative equal highs. So though the market didn't offer us a shit in market structure on the higher time frame, I'm still expecting it to behave as the Euro USD. I said on the Euro USD, targeting these relative equal highs and this buy side liquidity before it does whatever it wants to do in the future. But on the like my bias for the week, I'll be looking for opportunities mainly to go long. Yeah, I'll be looking for opportunities to go long if I'm proven otherwise. But I won't be risking much, and I'm also buying my 5K trading account into February, just at the end of the month. End of the month, I'm planning to buy my 5K trading account. And I'll be showing you on this channel, and my progress for every week. I'll be showing you what I'll be expecting, my entries, my losses. Yeah, and that's all. So comment, guys, what you think the market, what you think the bias in the next following week is going to be, and what you think I should talk more about. I know I promised more videos on psychology. Yeah, I'm planning to do that soon. If not today, I'm planning soon, maybe later into this week I'll be dropping a video. So like and subscribe if you want to see this